So I love this. So I love this. Google Docs comes with a powerful set of collaborating tools known as the editing tools. And they are available in Google Docs, also in Google Sheets, Google Slides. And these allow you to collaborate with your team or with other people you work with in order to edit your documents, improve them, and share your ideas while you're doing so with others who will be editing with you. So let's dive right into how that works, how you do it. So I have a document here that I'm doing some editing on, and you can see that I've already done quite a bit of editing, and I've put comments and different edits in. So the how you access that tool is right up here in the upper right corner of your document window, and if you click down on the drop down menu here, you can see there's three options, and depending on the document you have, you may only have one or two options, depending on the permissions that you've been shared with. So you may only have suggesting and viewing, or you may only have viewing. I have all three. I have editing, suggesting, and viewing. Editing, of course, is just normal working on a document, deleting, and adding, and changing a document as normal. But suggesting is where it gets really interesting. So when you're in the suggesting mode, any edit that you make is not finalized at the moment of the edit. So let me show you an example of that. Let's just say let's find something I'd like to edit here. So let's just say I wanted to make an edit here and add in a little bit of information. Office 6 to 12 months, but depending on your niche, it could be longer or shorter. Let's just say I wanted to make that edit. So then I can see that that it appears in green. It appears not as the text color, but in green. And when I click on that particular edit, I can see that this suggestion is brought closer to the and hangs over the page a little bit here. Now if I click on a different edit that I've already made, that brings that edit up and over the page a little bit, so I can tell what things are there. And look, I can see Aaron T. Omslin just got on conveniently. Another example of when you're collaborating with another person, you will see their cursor, what they're doing, and they'll be a different color. So I'm green and he is magenta, I guess it looks like. And I can actually comment about edits I've made and and they can and everyone that has access to suggestions can comment and make new suggestions, and come up with a collaborative document so that it's the best we can make it, because more minds see from more perspectives.